Hello guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a label in OnlineJobs.ph. Once you're in your account, click your messages on the upper right, and from here, you want to click where it says label. You want to look to where it says labels on the left-hand side. Now from here, you can click the three dots and click on remove to remove a label. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just quickly create a new label and call this one test, right? And click on create. And as you can see, I have the test label. And of course, to delete it, you want to go ahead and click the three dots. Right before I delete it, I'm going to just assign one of these, let's say, persons that test label by clicking it on the right and left side here to select the person. Then click on label as and just go ahead and select that label for that person. Click on save. Now you can see that the test label is assigned. Now, if I delete the label right here, click on remove, you will see that it also remove from those recipients, those persons or assigned to the label as well. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can delete a label or remove a label on onlinejobs.ph.